Hi, my name's Mike Izzard. I'm one of the directors of Silverhook, and today I'm going to show you how to use Big Boy hybrid filler, which contains what we call an epoxy putty. It's got good adhesive properties and it's very easy to work with. What we're going to repair today is we've got this damaged towel rack. The screws have bent and pulled out, and I'm going to take the core plugs out and reinforce these with the epoxy putty. Someone's just rammed another core plug in there, which is not the way of repairing this job. It's made it more awkward. If they'd have used the epoxy putty, what we've got is, just to repeat, the brass screws sheared off. What someone's done is they've just shoved another core plug in. It's a real bodge job. This hasn't aligned properly, resulting in the whole towel rail coming away. I need to get some bigger pliers to get that out. Okay, so we can get this out with some grips. It's not an easy job, as you can see. There we are, that's the broken screw out. Sometimes you can't be very subtle with these sort of jobs. You've just got to be a little bit aggressive. What we're left now with is these two whopping great holes, which is a builder's nightmare. Now, normally they'd put another two holes in, compound the whole mess, and it'd become an absolute disaster, because of course once they've re-drilled these holes, you have to re-drill this far end as well, because the bar just won't fit properly. The only way around this, you know, quite often they'll cheat it by trying to drill holes or cut the bar and making a right mess of the job. It's much better to use the Big Boy filler for this job in hand. Much better. What we do now is, we don't need a lot of the material. We mix slightly too much. This should set in 2 to 3 minutes, so we have to work quickly with this. The filler itself is white, whereas the hardener is red, so we end up with a nice pretty shade of pink. We don't have to worry too much about how wonderful this is at the moment. So what we can do is we're going to be putting the core plugs in, which squeeze it. Work our way around that. There we go. Nicely pushed in. very difficult to do a perfect job on this with one coat. So what we have to do is set it in there and then put a finishing coat over the top. That's in there. Okay. Job done. Very robust, very strong job. It needs decorating around. That filler's gone hard. Thank you very much for watching my video.